Such a big day because today Qwen has just released another model. Yes, Qwen 3, a Chinese model, just came out, and we're talking about Qwen 3 Coder Plus, the mini version that is super fast and accurate for code generation. It's the mini version of Qwen 3 Coder, and recently we have covered new Qwen 3 with hundreds of billion of parameters and the new small Qwen thinking and non-thinking models. You can find them on my channel by browsing the previous videos. Just look for the thumbnails that says China won. These are the thumbnails and the videos you want to see where we cover the latest models from Qwen. These releases happened just in the past 10 days, and literally the state of the art for open source was just pushed further forward. So today we will talk about Qwen 3 Coder. It has 30 billion parameters, but only 3 of them are active. It's a mixture of expert model specifically created to be agentic and be able to do coding tasks. We can see here that it's comparable performance, worse but good performance against its bigger model, which is literally more than 10 times bigger, and also it's doing a tremendous job against DeepSeek V3 and Kimi K2 Instruct. In general, this model is actually lagging behind the state of the art. However, we all got to understand that this is a super small model. It only has 3 billion active parameters. Right now also, Qwen 3 Coder is free through OpenRouter. You just log in with Google, you create an API key, and you use this Qwen 3 Coder. You can just copy this code, put it on GitHub Copilot, and you're good to go. You can actually use the full Qwen 3 Coder. So I don't want to waste any more of your time. You can use this also completely for free by clicking Qwen 3 Coder, Coder Plus, and I'm going to select web dev and I'm going to create a website with this. So we're going to create an interactive Pokédex web page. We hit run and Qwen 3 Coder Plus is going to start running. If you want to learn more about AI, I have created a course that is teaching you AI tools to make you more productive and further down the road, make you more money than ever. This course offers a one-time payment for a very small fee. You get over 20 hours of tutorials, and very soon I will be updating it with more than 10 hours of new material, which you get completely for free, as well as all of the new updates you are getting completely for free. You just pay once and you get access to all of the new material. So the model is running, it's quite fast, and it's creating this Pokédex as we asked it to do. Hopefully the result is going to be nice. Hopefully it's going to be amazing. Let's see. Actually, the small Qwen model was able yesterday and on the past 2 days create an amazing Pokédex. But my expectations are further and further bigger, because Qwen was absolutely amazing at creating this specific style of website. Hopefully, we're going to also see an amazing result. Hopefully, this is going to work, because it feels like it's about to crash. Please don't crash, please. Run, please, don't crash. It says loading. We're just going to give it time, but guys, after this video I highly suggest that you go and watch all of the previous Qwen 3 videos. This model is really legendary. I really cannot stress enough how astonishing, how groundbreaking the results from this model are. Really, in all honesty, I'm not joking at all. This model is insane. So I'm just going to put up some new chats. We're going to create also an HTML Flappy Bird game at the same time with the other chats. Just gonna let the model run on the backend. Hopefully this web dev website is going to run. It seems like it's going to be loading for at least 10 years. So that's why I put up 2 new requests for us. So till we have a result, I'm just going to cut the video. So yep, the Pokédex is not loading here, so we're going to get started with a Flappy Bird game that it created. And then we're going to use the Pokédex game that it's right now getting created. So this is a Flappy Bird game, looks super nice. Game is super hard as well, but the sprite and the icon is super nice. What I find really strange is that in all honesty, all all of the AIs are making the hardest Flappy Bird ever possible. There's a small possibility that this is an error from my end. Okay, so we passed it. Game looks good. UI looks super good. Coder works a lot better than the base models that we have checked on the previous videos. Hopefully this is going to be the case also for the Pokédex. Let's give it a try. Let's copy this here, and already we can see nice results. So this is the Pokemon Pokédex. Alright, I see loads of animations. This looks nice. I think it doesn't look really as nice as yesterday's non-coding specialized model, but I really like the design. I really like the colors. I think it lacks like the pop-up window that was opening up on the other platforms and a little bit of zoom in, but I really like the animations. The details are all great. I think this is a very nice website. Let's see if the search bar is working, and yes, it does. So an amazing result. Like, these models are tremendously good at creating beautiful, working, animated websites. Amazing work by Qwen, hands down, one of the best models for web development. So guys, I really don't want to waste any of your time. I really want to see what you will be able to create with these. Let me know if you try the model. If you like this model, just let me know down below in the comments. The first people that have been testing this out are super excited. I've seen your comments. Like, for example, this guy says, this model will be remembered for a long time. Absolutely legendary. So let me know what you believe about the new Qwen Coder Flash, and I will see you on the next video.